Finally arrived in Orlando. I don't think I've actually started this vlog today just because the day has consisted mostly of planes, trains, cars, etc. There hasn't really been anything mega exciting to film, but we are finally here. We're staying at the Hilton hotel in Orlando and we've just checked into our room, so I thought I'd give you a little room tour before it all gets messy. And it is a little bit dark, so I can't capture the best pictures and footage, but the room is incredible and American hotel rooms are just massive. It's such a contrast to London where you get teeny tiny hotel rooms. So I think we're just gonna have a really chilled evening. I'm sorry today's vlog hasn't been massively exciting, but I thought it would be interesting to capture the day. I'm gonna obviously vlog every single day of this trip and take you along with us. Tomorrow we are heading off to Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom, so it should be a very exciting day tomorrow, and I think we're just gonna have a really chilled evening, possibly go and find something to eat or order some room service, have a little flick through the American TV, have a look at all the channels. It's David's first time in America, so we are very excited to be going on a little adventure in Orlando. And obviously I am a big Disney fan, you guys know that already, but we also want to explore all the other stuff that Orlando has to offer, because it's got these incredible parks, but it also has lots of other things. So if you're not going on a family holiday or a kids holiday, if you're just a couple or you are a bunch of friends that are coming along and you want some other stuff to do whilst you're here as well as Disney and the parks, then keep watching because we've got some very exciting things planned. So yeah, I'll give you a little room tour while it's still all nice and neat. So this is our very big hotel room. We're on the 19th floor, which is the top floor, so I don't know whether that makes a difference. I do think we have a very nice view outside, which I'll show you, but it is very big. I don't think it's capturing it on camera quite how big it is. Very spacious. They've given us a fruit platter, a bottle of champagne, which is very kind. Oh my god, these are ingredients to make s'mores. I think they call these like graham crackers. Oh, it's not focusing. Graham crackers, marshmallow and chocolate. And then we've got lots of nice fruit and a little welcome card and a bottle of champagne, which is very nice. And then we've got our itinerary down here as well. We've got a massive TV, which I have muted so that it's not playing in the background. It's playing some very snazzy jazz music as we entered. And then outside, let's have a look at the view. I haven't actually looked at this properly. If I can get to it. Here we go. So the view outside is of lots of lights. Because we arrived in the dark, so in terms of where we are relative to everything else, I can't tell you, but it's a very big hotel and it was about 15 minutes away from the car hire place, so not too bad at all. And then in here we have the bathroom. We've got a lovely big sink with lots of toiletries. Me in my travel outfit feeling very scruffy. And then a massive walk-in shower. It's not quite doing it justice how big this is. So very nice and spacious bathroom and a very lovely room. So I think we're just gonna get unpacked and settle in and maybe have an early night, because I know it's going to be a very busy day tomorrow and we're not really sure what time zone we're in at the moment. So yeah, should be good.
Where are we going for dinner?
There's a really nice place downstairs. I think we should just stay here. Do you not want to?
No.
Or we could order room service. I know, but we just parked the car and it took ages to park. So we've got this massive GMC Arcadia for the time that we're here. It's a huge car, which is exciting because I love big SUVs, but it will take a bit of getting used to. So I'll let you know what happens, whether we're just going to be lazy and stay here or whether we venture out. But I'm just going to get unpacked and settled in, and then I will update you soon. So we decided to be brave and venture out. So we've come to a place called Orlando Pointe, which was recommended by the hotel concierge. Oh, sorry. And it's got lots of restaurants and lots of shops, so I'm sure we will find somewhere we can eat.
Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell.
So because I didn't get the chance to show you earlier, I thought I'd quickly show you the hire car that we have for our journey. David's being annoying in the car. This is a huge GMC Arcadia, and it doesn't look as big on camera as it is. I don't think it quite does it justice on camera to how big it is in real life, but David says it's very nice to drive, didn't you? Gosh, I look so ridiculously tired in this camera. I'm sort of not really enjoying vlogging myself at the moment, but we are very, very tired. I've probably been up far too long, so we're just gonna go back to the room. We've literally had the biggest dinner ever. I don't know how much I captured of it because the lighting in the restaurant was really funny, but David had ribs and chicken, a huge platter of ribs and chicken because he couldn't decide which one he wanted. I had a kids meal and it was still massive, so very much enjoying the portions here, but we are very tired, very ready for bed, and very full. So we are gonna head back to the room. Oh, this is very attractive lighting. Are you enjoying America so far?
Very good.
Ooh, it's colder. It's colder than I thought it would be. I wish I'd brought more layers. So I'm gonna say goodnight here because we're just gonna be really boring for the rest of the night and just get into bed. It's about 10 o'clock and we know we have a very early start tomorrow because it's very busy. We've got Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom. We're doing all of Disney and I can't wait. Are you excited?
Very excited.
So it should be a good day, but we're gonna get an early night because we haven't really slept on the plane. No. And you need lots of energy for Disney and good trainers. So we shall see you in the morning, or we'll see you on another vlog which will be going live either tomorrow or in a few days time. So thank you very much for joining me for this first day of Orlando, although it's basically just been a travel day. The next couple of days will be much, much more jam-packed and exciting. So I shall see you very soon.